Hey, so this is the last new belief that we're gonna see. We've seen a lot. It's been a lot. You're well equipped to success, and this is amazing. So to break no more, now we're gonna see the last belief. That is, my values are my contribution. So there are several things here. Um, just think that your impact is your lived values. If you live through your values, then it's your impact in the world. This is how you impact the world, to live through your values. For instance, if you make an honest comment, it has an impact. Someone is going to scroll, it's going to see it, it's going to see that it's honesty, and it's going to make a change for that person, who's going to see another person abiding by some strong principles. And then they're going to do the same. And then you see here that this is how you got an impact. And everything works like this, with small incremental change. There are some stuff happening in the background, yes, but it's not all about those massive changes that are happening in the background. It's also about like all the incremental choices, all the small choices that we are making every freaking day. And it's like, if you don't believe that this is your source of power, then I don't know what you what's the point of living at all, like, you got to believe this. You got to get through this. Because otherwise it's like, it's just dropping everything and just saying, yeah, I don't, what's the point of living at all? Like, you have to do something about your life, right? And if you abide by your values, then you're making something out of it, right? It's like, it's legacy. It's like, no matter how small, it's your legacy, right? Your child, your friend with a child. It's like, the world is evolving around you as well, and you have to take that responsibility to live your own values and to embrace them, so that others could as well be inspired by this, or take this as example. This is how it works. This is how it works. It's not always about making the big thing. um so embody courage, embody compassion, or integrity, and you will see that progressively, at least, it's going to make an impact around you, and most importantly, within yourself. And you're always within yourself, and this is going to follow no matter where you go.